Welcome back once again to Stube Studios video series on a tutorial for Gamemaker beginners. So, last time you made your first game using what I had taught you in the first 3 episodes. In this one, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about slightly more advanced things with sprites. So if you go to sprites, now I'm a terrible drawer, so I'm just going to do stick Jimmy. And so we're going to go to edit sprite this time instead of load sprite. And it should bring up something like this. Now if you go here to the create a new sprite, it'll ask you what height and width you want. For now, let's just do 32 by 32, which is what we've been used to. If you click on that, you'll get this. And this is what your image is going to look like. You can zoom in and out, or you can just set it back to default instantly with this button. So I like to zoom it out because it's easier to draw. So stick Jimmy. You can basically it's like a drawing program, except whatever you draw becomes your sprite. So Jimmy's got blonde hair, whatever. I know I'm bad at drawing, but whatever. So we've got that. Let's do that. So now we have a sprite that looks like that. Hopefully yours is a little bit nicer, but okay, so you got our stick Jimmy. Now if we go to objects, we can just do Jimmy. Jimmy. And you can select your stick Jimmy, like so. So now you have that there. I almost never use the save sprite, but if you made a sprite and wanna really like it and want to use it again in like a different game, then you can hit the save sprite and that saves this to sprite file. So, or PNG, JPG, whatever it is, file. So now that you've got that, we can, I guess, do a little bit of paths. Now paths are kind of confusing and they're not used as often, but might as well teach it to you. So in paths, we have we select a path. So you see this, you click that. Now wherever you go next, you can see that it draws a line there. More lines, more line, more lines, more lines, more lines, more lines. Basically, this is the path that the object you give this to is going to follow. So I'm not going to save that. Moving on, that's not really used that much, so it's not important. Scripts for beginners, I'm not going to teach that because this is a beginner series and this is like actual scripting and coding. So yeah, we're not going to be doing this in this series. So font creation, I never used that, so you most likely never will. Timelines I could do, but let's just teach you more object stuff. Objects are cool. So gravity, no. Oh, I know. Let's make a button. So if we load the sprite and we go up, there'll be a button thing, and this will be there. We could do a quit button. Let's just do a quit button for now. So we've got our quit button, so I should probably change that. Remember, use underscores for lots of things. I am really bad at that. I'm sorry. I'll try to use them often. Button quit. And we'll just select that. So now, if we go to a room, then we have a quit. Now let's go to our quit button. So now we do, if you remember, left button, meaning when you click it, then it will do the following. It will end the game. So now, if we have this, it'll be our glitched up Jimmy path, and then we'll have our quit button there. And if you click the quit button, it stops the game. So, simple enough. Yeah, so that's it. Sorry I didn't do very much in this one, but, you know, I'll be sure to kind of do more next time. So, see ya, and I hope you enjoy the videos.